Hi, this is Chef Kurt Von Kahl with your steam convection oven tip of the week. One of the best features of a convection steam oven is to use it to reheat leftovers. I'm using the Thermador today. It already has a reheat setting in the oven modes. You have the ability to change the temperature. I'm going to select 275 degrees. It is going to assist in refreshing the food with a little bit of humidity. That's probably going to take about 8 minutes. Now you could utilize the rack that comes with the oven or the perforated pan. And I'm just going to set this in on rack level 2. I'm using an oven safe plate for my reheat.